crashed. Stop! There's even a better way. Use this automatic hand wash. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a cool project. Today we are going to convert normal hand wash into automatic hand wash. You can do it at home too. You just need to follow my steps and you can do it at your home. If you have any queries, please comment down in the comment box below, or you can reach me through my email iamInfinityExplorer@gmail.com. So let's get started. Before getting into this video, if you are new to this channel is all about science stuff, doing science experiments and learning science in a different way, doing crazy stuff, all science stuff. If you like the content, please hit the like button and consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So what we need is a normal hand wash or hand sanitizer, and a NODEMCU, a servo motor and an IR sensor, and few jumper wires. You can use arduino instead of NODEMCU if you don't have NODEMCU. The pins will be different for NODEMCU and arduino. For most of the sensors we will have 3 pins. One is signal or output, and 2 other pins are, one is for ground and one is for VCC. There will be a color coding for servo motor. The orange one is for signal and the red one is for power or VCC, and the black one or the brown one is for ground. So let's connect these 3 equipment and form a circuit. It's very simple. First take the ground pin of IR sensor and ground pin of servo motor and connect it to the ground pin of NODEMCU, and connect the VCC of the IR sensor and servo motor to the VCC of the NODEMCU. And for the signal, we are connecting servo signal terminal to the D1, and for IR sensor we are connecting signal to the D2. You can change the ports, but as per the code we are connecting it like this. You can change it however you want. I connected all the wires. So let's upload code into the NODEMCU. For this you need Arduino IDE. You can find the links for the code in the description box below. I explained every single line of the code. You can understand it easily and you can make your own code. You just need to copy the code and open Arduino IDE and upload it to the NODEMCU. It's just simple. When the code is uploaded, it will blink the blue LED. So it's uploaded. So let's open serial monitor and see if it's working or not. How this works is, when I place my hand near the IR sensor, it detects my hand, send command to the servo motor to move. Yes, it's working. Let's look into serial monitor. It is showing it's working. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Let's attach these all parts to the hand wash. So don't disturb the circuit. Take the servo motor and with the help of double tape, stick it to the hand wash, and IR sensor too. And let's check it if it's working or not again. So I'm placing my finger near the IR sensor. It is detecting and the servo is working. So to pull the pump, I have made 2 holes on the top of the pump and passed a metal wire through it, inserted to the holes of the servo. It is very difficult to stick the servo. Use a hard glue for best results. Yeah, it's working. When you place your hand near the IR sensor, it detects and pulls the pump, so it pumps out the hand wash and you can wash your hands without even touching the hand wash. First I tried this using a thread and attaching it to the servo, but it is not working that good, so I changed my plans to use a metal wire instead. It's working better now. Some hand washes have very smooth pumps, so I recommend you to use that one. It will be easy for the servo to pull. Do try this at home and click the like button if you like this video. Meet you in the next week. Bye bye.